Like I say, it's one of the games that I expected to give it to me winning, but whatever being the case, Robo coach in right now. So at least if you don't win, don't lose. So at least pick 1 point from here. Like I said, we are what we want to do is the consistency. So at least about draw the next match because you about 2 away matches. You're picking 4 points, which is not bad results. Until we are hoping that in the next home game, home game, you win, then we'll build upon it. Once a team they win, then it's building the confidence of the boys. We are hoping that our next match. Mekani say, say this is what the players need. Omobano moves the supporters now, but Omo can of costume. I say Omobom home. And I'm hoping say next match I will go on stadium. Ombeba in their numbers, they'll come and support us. Now if the boys know who support the bomb. I mean this is supporters we know say the boy team. My team needs to meet. And I think say and also Bema boys the best show moon crying. I'm watch me any results now my say so the American can one say send our message supporters now. Amunya will train my team, a young team. I feel most of these boys are no more has pressure on so if you say nyabo train my woman things will go well
mine because ball there lose and draw. It is oko away now we win now over away also now we draw it is my bat player back up and I saw man home so I Salim because our set chances be play yes no star player with team because we to Kwayaba last over boss abo we are and you know they say according to now Kwai Kwayeshe and they say coach no benchino say coach no benchina na ni bible and come na me coach and come benchino because when your chance we na say ultimi sha I will see Bobo Amonani Aba. Let that me say, I can't turn out one Koya, anything I'll send back. Because in Koya, there were a coin to Limo and Kayam money at the Emma, and Kabe, they have a sign. But one Koya, the Antina money by a Timiseko to Atala said, O Bentino, say O Bentina, and the confidence in Maiden, oh, prayer, the modest so many of the set 10 years in 10 years in or Sunny. Sunny no cry team no. Sunny there, me pipe on say more on ya homa so. Omble no wase. Say na our supporters. Sunny e dinner ti dey bia bon pie ma Sunny. Ana hwe sika ye che no. Enti ye sre no. Omble no wase. Na amle pemni enimi say onu no be as of captain. Sunny mon pray no. No onko so no ye den onye ni training.
Okay, Mr. Kakra me kan say and the House of Folk team no on my idea. Everything is on point. But no more idea. It's out yabo away. Near 1 point. Ebe fan sa. Na kaye and there say so you winning. But so far so good. But no everybody obi abobo. Salim Oba no mimi who here. The contribution are very good. Oh yeah there. As I say, football there draw, win, and lose. What I say, the guys are young guys. They are now coming. Somebody like Sandy Piquet. What we are there? Wow, it's in due course, has a baby. What allowed for me last season, last season 1 year there. But this season there, also man home kakra. And go for to me say, I'll say a man time kakra. What I say, because last season, no, rade no, but this time there, yeah, man, time kakra. We are hoping, say things will be okay. All the supporters say, full him, Emma class of folk. Our motto is never say die. Every way, and we are them. Next time we are going to do more, and inshallah, has will be well. No, league ninja there. For me. Second has this second, third, fourth grade. I don't have issue because we are building our team. A team they young guys, someone like Sunny and those players. They are now coming. They are up and coming players. Oh, but with time, no, everything is going to be fine. League new, and yeah, priority now. Yeah, priority say last season, no, position, no. This time, no, you better make sure say things will be okay. What I say. So has is coming up. Obia share Kotoko and those people, no, they should see we are coming. Small. Has going to come.
Because that's about we. Now has team a young team. I feel now I'm more picky up. So we shouldn't put pressure on the boys and the management. Guys need to try our best. Team a young team. Hamza say who should give Hamza boy. So normal. For now, has team prediction say yeah. I know drama no with pra. We pra before the game. So normal, no with pra. But as for now, when our best player be Asibe. Back for no boy change my Asibe ni best player.
Asibe best player.
Asibe best player. On no back for. So at least get on man new call. Local players no man said one say they are big team. What I say, big players. So never far. No my right.
So what you mean go away akwonya 3 points. Aba home against Dreams. If your baby are Dreams Dana, they need to win this match and survive. Even though it's early days yet. But baby are modern and they are playing home. You have to make a throw. Not a bad result at all. So I just want to urge our supporters. Omumbra Park, your next match, your Polygon. They should come in their numbers. When the fans see them, they beat me 3 points.
Okay, because you see, I know what say coach in start our team. What say we share midfield, Juma wins no so at me cross I want to be cross the ball no we strikers no by a problem is strikers say omo uplift omo game no kakra say be we to share glorious chance Salim nya chance onya na ka di no kra to okra na ka ball no betumi apim na ko go nsi enya coach problem coach in the oya de nsi mo enya time coach no na mrepa no we resource no beba. Thank you.
First day by this idea you say modern course kaka but coach no na de oye no na ye ni engine play people wa bench work no na ni usa new players no wa bo no kwa na odmo new players wa sign won kwa na odmo bo but old players no but at least so the old players ni be dey say man na yen hu there e be course but on the coach ni there the oye there ya dwem won sa
Thank you.